Rainy season. It was a bright and sunny day. Gautam was playing outside with his ball. Suddenly, it started getting cloudy. It got darker and darker. Gautam looked up at the sky and saw grey clouds and lightning. It started raining. Gautam ran inside, calling, "Mama, the sky broke and now it has started leaking." Mama laughed and said, "Oh no, beta, the sky did not break. It is the rain and lightning that you heard. Now it is raining heavily. This season is called rainy season." In India, we have 3 seasons: hot, that is summer; cold in winter; and rainy season is also called monsoon. "But Mama, I want to play outside in the rain. Can I play in the rain?" Mama said, "Yes, you can play outside, but you have to wear your raincoat, gumboots and umbrella. Otherwise you will get wet." Gautam wore his raincoat, umbrella and gumboots. He jumped outside in the rain in the puddles of water. He said, "Mama, you should also come out too. It's so much fun." Then his mother also put on her raincoat and she came outside. Mama played with Gautam. They both enjoyed in the rain. Mama showed him a snail, slugs, frog and earthworms. Children, these are the creatures that you see during rainy season: slug, frog, earthworm and snail. Do you know where a snail lives? A snail lives in a shell. Gautam said, "Rainy season is now my best season because I love to play with water." What about you, children? Which is your favorite season?